Welcome to this tutorial by the Durham Public Library on how to access Mango languages. First, open a web browser and enter the web address www.durhampubliclibrary.org. On our home page, hover over Library Services and Resources. Click Courses in Language Learning. Here you can click the link or the icon to connect to Mango languages. If this is the first time you're connecting to Mango, you can set up a profile by clicking Sign Up. You will enter your email address and a password for your account. Once you click Sign Up, you will be able to choose a language to start learning. You can take multiple courses at any time, and there are no grades. Mango Languages is also offered as a mobile app, and you can log in with the account credentials you created from the web browser. For more information, visit our website or call us.